Goodwill Commercial Services understands that your customers depend on consistent kits, reliably produced and available in any volume when they need them. Goodwill has years of experience kitting for customers in industries including pharmaceutical research, automotive, and more. With a quality management system that's certified to ISO 9001-2015, Goodwill maintains quality throughout the entire process, making us an ideal partner for your kitting needs. Our flexible 90,000 square foot space and multi-skilled workforce allow us to quickly ramp up production to meet your demands. We'll custom design a process to build your kits efficiently and cost-effectively. Barcode scanning, wireless technology, and ERP system integration allow us to scan and track inventory by specific bin level location and trace by lot number and expiration. Strenuous lot control means we only release your products when all requirements are satisfied. Customers even have access to real-time reports on materials, supplies, and inventory. Goodwill will inventory and store completed kits and await pick and pack, and order processing for shipping directly to your customers. Or we can ship completed kits back to you for fulfillment, with proven quality every step of the way. Contact us to discuss your next project or to schedule a visit. Goodwill Commercial Services. Contract manufacturing and packaging solutions customized for your business.